Oh, is it a video? That's a good one. Where are we going today?
The store, IKEA.
We're going to IKEA. And I want to find some stuff at IKEA. And then, I don't know, we'll probably go to lunch or something. See you at IKEA! What is bro doing?
Yuck. What? What? What am I doing tonight?
Oh, yes. They're not in my size. The pinstripe, it's cute. They don't have my size. I found them.
You know the general phrase, you know what it looks like? Whoa.
Are you gonna buy it for me?
Do you want it? That bad? On a scale of 1 to 10.
So what I'm looking for, some hooks for my bags, and maybe somewhere to put my shoes, because currently they're all shoved in a cupboard. Let's go. I do kind of like these tables though. Oh my god, they're so expensive. I don't have anywhere to put them. But maybe one day. When you buy us a house, right?
Perhaps not use it as much.
For context, he's insulting my clothes mode, which is the ring of clothes that appears around my bed every single day.
Oh,
And he's insulting it. I
just
thought
think-
you loved me no matter what.
I do.
Love is conditional. Love is conditional, apparently. I think we low-key just hit the jackpot. Now, which one's the least ugly? That's what we're all asking. I quite like a wood vibe. Perhaps the Rugberg. This one's more expensive, but it is nicer. This one's kind of interesting. Yeah?
One.
And I know what you're probably thinking. Just take a photo of the thing that you want so you know where its location is. But that's not how you do it in IKEA, okay? And it doesn't matter how many new technologies are invented, you have to use the complimentary pencil and list thing that they give you. Always. And if you're not doing that, then maybe you're not ready for IKEA. Mukbang. Gooey chocolate cake. Greek salad for health. We're in the market hall, so now we just have to find the things that we liked from the showroom. Am I right? Guys, comment down. Ooh, wait, the stripy one's over there. Pedestal mat? What the? That's not a mat. Someone's lying. I'm not sure about the yellow though. What do you think? It looks like a beach towel, right?
A little bit.
Yeah. Old Yarn soap dispenser set of 3 combo. You're coming home with me. Oh my god, he's actually pissing me off. What?
What?
What did you say?
I think you should just get a framed portrait of me and put it on your dresser. That'd be nice. What do you think?
This is a message to future Rose. What you wanted to do was measure the posters that are in your bedroom and get frames for them in IKEA. That's what you're thinking about. That's what you wanted to do, okay?
Okay.
Cool. Purchased. Oh my god, that's so zoomed in. Whoa. Sauces? I reckon over here. Is that a good one?
That was... It doesn't get much better than that, to be honest.
Are you having both? That's so much onion.
That was a ridiculous amount of onion. Mustard. Is that a good one?
No.
Oh.
We finished shopping. IKEA is probably like the best place on earth. It's really bright. Now we get free parking as well because we purchased like $1 worth of stuff. Actually, I bought like a vase and things. And tell them where we're going now.
We are headed straight to Hot Pot.
Hello.
Hello. Look what I found down the side of the driver's seat. What's this?
A completely full Coke can.
Yep.
Oh. Lit. This is my favorite place on earth, Dragon Hot Pot, Carlton or Parkville. What a beautiful day in Melbourne. What do you think of today? How was lunch?
Pretty good.
We're going home to my house. Lunch was really good. I love hot pot. We might book a trip to Indonesia. Oh, I'm really awkward, aren't I?
No, you're good. You're...
We lay down for a few hours, like big chuds. And now we're going to play... Now we're going to our friend's house to play some games. Is that right? Your other boyfriend.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir, we are.